One key topic everyone should know about is how to properly store your coffee. Coffee is going to remain at peak freshness post-roasting for 24 hours to 14 days. Ideally, coffee should be kept whole bean and ground as needed. However, if you don't have access to a grinder and need to store your coffee pre-ground, understand your coffee will diminish in quality faster. There are 4 main factors that will affect your coffee freshness: moisture, sunlight, heat, and oxygen. Roasted coffee has a specific moisture content we try to maintain for brewing. The beans themselves are hygroscopic, or more simply, have a low moisture content. When introduced to any additional moisture, the beans will ultimately absorb it because of their low moisture content, altering the coffee profile. Avoid storing your beans in any direct sunlight, as the sun's UV rays will age the coffee and break down the compounds in the beans. If your beans are stored anywhere in an area that is around 75 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, you're also at risk of aging your beans faster. Beans that are too hot will release both oils inside them and CO2 at a faster rate, leading to a decrease of flavor. And finally, if your beans are exposed to oxygen, the process of oxidization will occur, during which the oils will again be pulled out of our beans faster than necessary. Because of these factors, Colectivo always recommends that you store your coffee, whole bean, in an airtight, sealed or resealable bag with a one-way valve at room temperature away from direct light. Colectivo coffee bags have a one-way valve on the back that let extra gases out but don't let any oxygen in. In addition, check the roast date stickers on your bag to help you figure out the age of your coffee. Keep on brewing, Baristas!